little ice climb here. A bit crusty, but supports your weight, which is good, rather than just powder. So, foot of the route, the summer line basically goes up here on the rock. Though in the winter it's going to be easier to go up on the side here. This first one is a winter route. So it goes up here. So it's a nice little bit in the summer here. Goes up there on the left. Belay here if you want. This is the original winter. Go over to the side. Summer lines up in the rock on the side there. Looks nice though. Really on rock. Microphone's working and recording. Camera. There we go. Let's get something a bit more substantial. Somewhere in it. So just about supports your feet, but a summer line goes up here on the rock, and these are definitely going to climb to you. Unfortunately, no, this is actually a rock. So it should start to ease off a bit. So if I get onto this, a rocky slab here for my feet. So summer line goes right up in the rock, but turf's a bit more. Yeah, not bad. Quite happy with that. If the turf and the snow was really well frozen. We're about 1,100 metres up here. So if I get to the top of El Alamein buttress, I'm going to go to the top. It's an extra. So this is 30th of November. So I'm really relying on the underlying heather. We can ab off from this point if I had a rope. So show you guys what's here. Okay, so that's roughly about 15 metres of. So I'm just going to have a bit of a rest here. So now I'm going to go up here. I might, I tend to go up here. If I don't like it, I can go round to the right here. It's very escapable in a lot of places. I mean, that seems quite good. Right, it's avalanche prone, big cornice, and so starting to feel the wind a wee bit now. It's to get really strong later on, so I want to be. And then a big thaw as well. So go to the side. Don't know if you can see, but there's usually just above that is where the cornice is. So of interest, I'm using the quark here. I find I can basically climb anything with spike to get threads, clear out threads. An example would be here, you'd normally get up here and then get your sling.